Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond. Stay tuned for a special 30A edition.
That's right. We've got a great house right on 30A, and you can see the water from it. 3 levels, saunas, elevators,
Everything.
the works.
Everything that you could ever imagine. One thing I want to put out, price per square foot.
Yes.
You've got to check it out.
Absolutely. Let's go. Beachy. So here we are in the downstairs bottom level lockout. It's so great. You've got the 3 bedrooms already here, the whole kitchen, the whole living room.
Yes, low maintenance. You've got tile throughout the main area. And what I like too is there's actually like AstroTurf in the backyard.
Yes.
So low maintenance. So
Yes.
if you're having guests stay here, one of the things that's really cool about this property is the vacation rental projections.
Yes.
Unheard of.
Absolutely.
They're like, I think around 290 or something in
Yes.
the 280s.
And on top of that, this one is the lowest price per square foot pretty much on 30A.
With the highest rental projections.
Absolutely. It's amazing. Absolutely wonderful. And what I like about this is with it being a lockout, you can have this as a separate unit completely rented separately, and you could have the separate second and third stories to be rented separately. That's wonderful. It just compounds the ability to bring that income in.
So many options with this one.
So let's go check out the second and third floors. We want to point out that elevator with windows so you don't feel like you're in a cave,
Yes.
as well as my favorite,
Oh my gosh, here we go.
shiplap.
There's shiplap everywhere. On top of that, what you don't see are these little extras. Everything's double insulated.
Yes.
So they've thought of everything in addition to the impact windows and glass. And then with that addition with the elevator, there's just all these little extras. Let's go check it out. Hey there, I want you to come check out the 3rd floor of this gorgeous 30A home. This is kind of like the living and play area. There is 1 bedroom or what could be a studio. Nice open living space, tall ceilings, gorgeous bamboo floors. I love the fireplace and I absolutely adore the kitchen. Come check it out. Everything you need. Check out this gorgeous island. Plenty of storage, plenty of cabinetry space. And the great thing about this particular floor, you've got a gorgeous view off the balcony, and all of the windows and doors are hurricane rated impact glass. Let's go see where Heather is.
Look at this amazing main ensuite. Now, all the bedrooms here are ensuites. There are 8 total, but this main ensuite is massive, and you've got a wet bar right here. You can overlook the water. You've got the sun flooding in, and you gotta check out this ensuite. This ensuite bath is massive. Everything that you would expect on 30A overlooking the water. You've got the updated sinks and countertops with large mirrors. You can have a jetted tub or jump in your shower, and the closets are right here, so it's exactly what you would look for. This little secret is they converted a bedroom into all of this wonderfulness. So for more information, look in the description below. You can get all the listing link and details of all of the wonderful options that this house offers.
And make sure you don't forget to subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com. Ring that bell.